Hey there, this is Rod, the tool guy at ARES Tools. In this video we're going to look at our 68001 portable parts washer. You place this washer on a 5-gallon bucket, and the ARES portable part washer is designed to easily fit into any standard 5-gallon bucket. And thanks to its lightweight and portable design, you can take it with you wherever you go. This part washer comes with a hard bristle flow-through brush, so it's perfect for cleaning and degreasing small parts and tools, even when the job's extra tough. The brush also includes a flow control valve for temporary shut-off. This is for temporary. If you need to shut it off for more than a couple minutes, go ahead and unplug it. Thanks to the unique channel drainage system and filter screen, this washer easily catches waste material and works with any non-corrosive, non-solvent, water-based cleaning solution. So let's get this thing set up and use it and see how it goes. So the first step is you see these suction cups on the bottom of the pump. You want to make sure you place the pump down all the way at the bottom and stick it to the bottom of the bucket here. So we've placed the pump in the bucket and it's sitting down there flush, stuck to the bottom. And we've got our cord and our hose sticking out the side, and we've got channels here in your basin so that you can assemble this without pinching the hose and the cord, just like so. You can go ahead and fill it up beforehand if you want, or you can fill it up now. And so we're going to place this thing on the floor and use it to clean some bearings so you can see how it works. Okay, so we filled up our bucket with our water-based cleaning solution, and we'll put our basin on here. And this is another beautiful feature to this setup, is this handy dandy hook right here that we can just hook on the edge for when we're ready to use it. Okay, so getting ready to do this with this handy on and off valve and this hook. I'm going to make sure I'm hooked up here. Turn this off before I plug it in, that way it won't go all over the place. Go ahead and plug it in, and now I can turn it on and use it. We're plugged in here and we're flowing, as you can see. This is another nice feature to this, is we've got a flow control valve here that you can use. So we've talked about that. You can turn your flow down if it's too much, and also you can shut it off completely. But like I said, just for a few minutes. If you're going to have it shut off longer than that, go ahead and unplug it. So let's go ahead. We've got some wheel bearings here that we're going to need to re-grease, so we're going to clean the old grease off of them. As you can see, the stiff brush really helps get that off, along with the cleaning solution that you've put in here. It's a very efficient system. So then when you're done using it, you go ahead and turn it off, and you can hook it with your hook and simply unplug it. Super easy and no mess. And when you're all done, it's easy to shut off and store away. You have a compact portable system to clean your parts. The ARES 68001, now with the new flow control valve and the brush hanging hook feature, it's just an awesome tool to use. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.